What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In today's video, we're going to be doing a 1K to 10K trading series update. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm buying and selling in this video and an update from the previous video as well. We're actually up pretty huge from the StormX that we did buy. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, I finally have an update for you guys on the 1K to 10K trading series. Keep in mind, this is a midterm trading series. Some people would even consider this short-term trading. So we are picking up altcoins that are bullish for the short term based on technical analysis, upcoming events, and project fundamentals. So we are looking at all those things. We are focusing this series on the Voyager app as well. Currently only in the United States. If you guys want to follow on Binance.com though, it has all of the same altcoins. There's other exchanges you can use as well. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice, and if you do choose to follow these trades, you do so at your own risk. I'm just showing you guys what I would personally buy, just to give you guys an example of what I'm looking at and my research that I'm going through as well. So we're actually up huge on StormX since the last video. That went up 2 to 3x, held there for a while, then ended up going up even more, gradually climbing even now, touching around 8 cents, which is just crazy profits that we did pick up from the last video. Basically a 4x at 8 cents, and we did pick it up at 2 cents in that video. So keep in mind, I will be selling some of this StormX because we're in huge profit, but keep in mind I do hold StormX outside of this trading series that I am staking in their app. So this project is doing big things. They haven't even started marketing really yet. They're just getting their product finished and polished. So I do see high potential with this in the future. I'm sure Coinbase and other big platforms will be adding StormX as well. It was the smallest market cap cryptocurrency in Voyager at the last video. Now one of the coins we're going to pick is actually smaller market cap than StormX, that also has a working product, and I think does have great potential in the short term. So we're up huge on this. I am going to sell 75% of what I bought in the last video, but like I said, I am staking a much larger amount on the side and earning great passive income on this that's paid out every Sunday. So I definitely recommend checking out the StormX app if you guys do want to download that, and you do end up getting one of the memberships in the StormX app and you use my link, we can both get a bonus. There will be a link for that in the video description, but don't feel obligated to use that. So we're gonna get into a preview from the last video we did. So we are doing spreadsheets here showing everything we're holding at the start of the video, the total value, and then what we're selling, and then what we're picking up as well. So this is what we did last time. In the last video, we did pick up $200 worth of Avalanche ADAX and then $300 worth of StormX. I wish I put this other $200 into StormX as well, because we'd be up another few $100s. So in this video, I'm going to be selling one Litecoin, just because that's been not performing that great. And then I will be selling 75% of the StormX, just because this is a trading series. We're up huge, and I do want to further diversify and pick up a couple more altcoins. Like I did talk about in yesterday's video, I highly recommend watching this video. It shows how I started in the crypto space with just a few altcoins, and how I grew that to over 25 altcoins and continued diversifying, pulling out my initial investment, and getting more and more cryptocurrencies. So definitely check out that video. It's in the top right of this video if you guys do want to check that out. All right guys, so I am using the Voyager app for this trading series. They did sponsor this series as well, and I actually really like this app, the theme of it. They do have a lot of altcoins available, very easy to buy and sell, very simple for new users to the crypto space as well, and you can actually set limit orders in here. So I definitely like this app. They are expanding to Canada and Europe very soon, and they are working on a desktop version as well. So if you guys are in the United States and you want to sign up for the Voyager app, I do recommend using my referral code, which I will put over the screen here. I'll also put information in the video description. It's just all caps TONE9A. If you put that in the referral code section while signing up, or clicking the link in the video description to sign up for the app, then you will get $25 of Bitcoin, and I will as well. So I do appreciate that. It does give you a small bonus as well getting started in this app, but like I said, it's only available in the United States right now. So if you guys aren't in the United States, Binance.com works out great. There's also a link to sign up for that in the video description. That will give you trading discounts using that link to sign up as well, and it does give me a small kickback, so I do appreciate you guys using the links. You don't have to if you don't want to though. So this is the app, pretty good amount of altcoins in here. So for the altcoins that I'm going to be picking up today, we are selling 75% of the STMX tokens. If we go to the very bottom here, we can see the smallest market cap projects that are listed on the Voyager app. So the very bottom we have Golem, but I don't want to pick that up. Then a stable coin. Then we have Orchid OXT, which I did pick up in the Binance US trading series as well. So I'm actually going to be picking up a majority of this for this trading video. So I do think it's at a great price. After looking at the charts and everything they're doing, they're also one of the first smaller market cap projects that was listed on Coinbase.com. So they have support of every major exchange. Basically, I don't know how they got these connections. Basically, what this project is a VPN, and you use the OXT to pay for the usage of the VPN. So I definitely like this project. I think it has high potential, being one of the lowest market caps on here. So the total market cap is only around $700 million, as you guys can see on the right. And I do think it has very high potential. There's only 1 billion total coins. So getting to a $1 billion market cap would put OXT at $1, which I think it's very possible it will be passing that in the upcoming few weeks, especially because a lot of people are very bullish on April in general. So I do think that's one of the best options for the small market caps here. I did research into some of these other ones that do look good, but I don't want to over diversify in this series yet either. So next altcoin I'm going to be picking up just to further diversify is EOS. So EOS is around $6.20 right here. It is actually up over 50% in the last week or so. And I do think it's quite undervalued. If we see the 1 year change right here, we can see pretty much every project in Voyager has had a massive 1 year change. So that's another thing I was looking at, and EOS is at a good price compared to its previous all-time high. The project has been developing since the last bull market, and this is a dApps platform. They actually are getting MetaMask integration support soon as well, so you'll be able to use your EOS tokens within MetaMask wallet, which is one of the most used wallets online, since most people use that to connect to Uniswap and everything. They already have a MetaMask wallet. So lots of other big stuff going on with EOS as well. I previously didn't hold it, but I did pick it up after doing my research through these altcoins, and I am picking a small amount up in this trading series as well. It is a bigger project. It used to be in the top 10, and now it's not. Many other projects that aren't doing nearly as much as EOS are much higher market cap. See, even Doge is a higher market cap than EOS right now, as well as BitTorrent just passed it, Bitcoin Cash, Avalanche has even passed it, Filecoin, Tron, which has also exploded. So comparing to everything else that's available on here, I do think it does have huge growth potential, especially in the short term if it is getting MetaMask support and some other big updates. So I'm going to diversify, pick some of that up. Just to diversify in bigger market cap projects. They don't have as higher growth potential, but they're also not as high risk as the smaller market cap projects as well. So as you guys probably notice, as this portfolio is growing, I'm getting more and more diversified as well. And definitely check out that last video I was talking about to see how I begin picking up more and more altcoins as my portfolio is growing. All right, guys, so I did the trades here. I bought Orchid OXT and EOS. And I did sell 75% of that StormX STMX, and I did sell one Litecoin as well, just because that hasn't been performing too great. And PayPal crypto merchant payments really didn't go as I would have liked as well, since merchants can't accept crypto as payment. They just auto convert crypto during the transaction and pay out the merchant in cash still. So what we had from the last video, 3 Litecoin, total value $609. Cardano 8, we're just going to continue holding this because I do think that will explode at random point with a partnership announcement, also leading up to other major mainnet upgrades. Hedera Hashcraft, we did sell some of that at some point. We're just holding this. Avalanche, we're continuing to hold that as well, since that's pretty much flat from where we bought it, and it is a big platform. StormX STMX, the best performer since the last video, up 4x from where we got in at 2 cents, now around 8 cents. So we did sell 10,000 of that. We got $780 for the 10,000 we sold, and we got $203 for the 1 Litecoin that I sold. So Orchid OXT, I was able to buy 790 coins at 75 cents each, which was $600 of this $983 I got. Then I used the remainder to just pick up EOS, so I got 61.3 coins, around $6.20. So these projects have already gone up a lot in the last week or so, but when I did pick up StormX, it was already up 100% as well. If you guys remember that, it had previously gone from 1 cent to 2 cents and is now around 8 cents. So that's what I look for, is these projects that have been building throughout the entire bear market, and they really have a lot of potential and are undervalued. So StormX was a great find in my opinion. I'm still holding a lot of that outside of this series because they're barely getting started as well, and just staking that for weekly passive income. So we are a little bit more diversified now. After this video, we are going to have a total of 7 coins now, and we started with just a few and $1,000. So the total value that we had as well since the last video is now $2,623. We started with $1,000. And from the last video, the total value was $1,900. So we're up pretty good. I definitely think we're going to hit that $10,000 goal very quickly here. We could have already hit it if we just put it all in one of the smaller picks that we had over the last few videos. Like Engine went up massively, StormX STMX, as well as Hedera Hashgraph went up a lot. So I do think we have just been getting lucky. So keep in mind, at some point, one of these smaller picks is not going to do well. Avalanche has really been sitting flat. Litecoin has been sitting flat. We've just been holding ADA because that's not doing much. So at some point, I will take a % profit on one of these other coins as they go up, and then further diversify into whatever I'm bullish on at the time. And I will be keeping you guys updated. Keep in mind, this is more of a midterm trading series. I don't do day trading. I just don't have the time for it. We're constantly doing research. We're setting up websites and different crypto products. Really have a lot going on. So keep in mind, these videos will be at least once every 2 weeks, but definitely not once a week. And I am looking for projects that are more of a mid to long-term hold, that are bullish because they've been working throughout the entire bear market and they're just undervalued in general. So I do think April is going to be great for the crypto space. Really looking forward to everything. I do have a lot of other big videos coming up as well, so be sure to be subscribed and hit the bell. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share this video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.